I think people are tired of the way medicine's been practiced. They're seeing the failures of what we've done, and now people want to fix themselves and they want help, and they're requiring the doctors now, you have to know this information.
I tell doctors all the time, look at the problem because each person is completely unique, each illness is completely unique.
So I always say find the root, treat the root and not treat the symptoms.
Doing a peptide before ibuprofen. Less side effects, more healing ability. But
I'd like to say that I spent the first half of my life putting nerves and people to sleep, and I'm spending the second half waking them up.
So we think that we have a great opportunity to really change the face of medicine.
I feel like I'm coming out into a world full of opportunities in the regenerative medicine space now.
With stem cell, peptides, exosome to improve our daily practice.
Just trying to get everybody excited about regenerative medicine. It is the future of medicine.
If I wanted to go someplace and learn about peptides, learn about cellular therapy, learn about aesthetics, learn about NK, learn specifically about musculoskeletal, I'd have to go to 5 conferences. Yet it's all here in one.
I was making people look better, but not necessarily feeling better. And this offered a way to not only improve my results, reduce scarring.
La medicina regenerativa ya no es el futuro, es el presente. Y si no estás dentro de esta nueva tecnología, entonces no estás progresando en su carrera. Venga y aprenda más sobre la medicina regenerativa, no te vas a arrepentir.